Welcome. This tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a new folder on Notes using your iPhone. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your Notes app, and if you want to add a new folder, just go ahead and click this folder button on the lower left corner of your screen. And here you can type any folder name that you want and click save. And then after that, as you can see, this is the new folder that I created. And if you want to add any notes on that, just click on the note button on the lower right corner of your screen. And then type any notes that you want and click done when you are done with it. And then if you want to delete this note, just go ahead and swipe your finger from right to left and you can see the delete button. And if you want to recover that, you can see the recently deleted folder here and just select this, and you can now move it to your new folder. And that's how you do it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.